Great enthusiasm.
I have plenty of enthusiasm, but I lack information.
Yeah,
Do you have great enthusiasm for today?
yeah, we do. All right, let's go.
Okay.
All right, just walking through the con. Day 3. We've seen most of the vendors here for the past 2 days. So right now is just basically bonus footage. Seeing what extra stuff they have. Maybe we can find something we missed.
Everyone's wrote little notes inside the tree. How fun. I'm gonna write a note.
Huh?
I'm gonna write a note. Oh no.
Oh, sweet little notes. When are you ready?
Aloha from Hawaii.
One of the booths they have here at Comic-Con is the Pac-Man Museum. You can line up and play a little bit of Pac-Man, and also I think they're giving out free lanyards.
This former rapper turned podcaster Jensen Karp claimed to have found shrimp tails in a box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And it was very controversial because people were claiming it was just crystallized cinnamon. General Mills reached out to him, and but he wanted to continue the thread, you know. And so we bought this from a third party. He sent it out to get tested, and so we're just trying to shine the light on it.
One of the more popular booths here is the bait booths. In here we have some of these Michael Jordan pops. Big Potato, Old Master Q, and some of these Squid Games pops. Golden variation of them. And other assorted pops.
Still so many rows and rows of things we haven't looked at yet. Just taking a little breather before we zigzag through everything again. obvious that we wouldn't be able to go to everything. But our family members went to the bait booth. They were able to pick this one up for us. And then my niece picked up this shirt. Oh. Divide and conquer at these things. There's no way you can look at everything.
The end of day 3 at the
Final day.
San Diego Comic Con. It was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We might be doing a little bit more stuff around town. Maybe check out Little Italy or something. But for now, we are done with San Diego Comic Con Special Edition. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And check out our other videos. Enjoy. Aloha.